Hey everyone, my name is Jonas, and I just want to post a quick testimonial for Internet JetSet by John Cristani. So there's a module in that course where John says that you're going to make your first commissions within 2 hours. And I thought that seemed a little bit too fast, but I decided to try it anyway. And I'm not sure if it took exactly 2 hours. I didn't look until roughly 8 or 10 hours later, but I did make two sales, so that's awesome. So, John, thank you. I've been through the rest of the course as well, where you cover Google, so that's SEO, and YouTube SEO, and Facebook, and it's an awesome course. So, to anyone thinking about getting this course, do it. John knows what he's talking about, and if you're still looking for that first sale online, you can make it very, very quickly. And as John says as well, it's not going to make you rich from these sales that you're going to get within 2 or 4 or 6 hours, but it's going to be your first couple of sales, and that's very important for you to get hyped up and understand that internet marketing actually works. So, again, thank you, John. Great course. I'm looking forward to learning more from you. Thanks.